It's Fat Boy and Frito again, coming to give you the longest kick in football history. Alright, Frito, let's get on with the kick. Oh my God! You see that? You guys see that? Oh, look at the football! Oh, it's not my hand. Look at the football! Oh! Oh my God! It's going! Oh, that has to be like a 600-yarder. Oh, so far. Oh, oh my God. Oh, the wind. Oh my God. Yeah. Oh, oh, oh. Look how far that was. Frito is way over there. Excuse me, doggies. Oh, what the scariest kick I've ever seen in my... Wow. That must have been 300, 200, maybe 150-yard kick as Frito comes. What an amazing kick, bro. Right there. Oh, for real. That was an amazing kick. Right there. Whoa. You're a master. I must now to begin to learn. First, let's start off with the little kicks.
Come on, you have to put in some strength into that.
We'll see you next time. This is Fat Boy and Frito. Please subscribe, because I'm sexy, and you know it.